Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nadia Moor, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add this Kirakira effect to your eyes. So I'm gonna close this project and I'm gonna give you a link, and in that link you will need to download this product, and it's free, so you can put 0 here. But if you'd like to say thank you and donate some amount, I will really appreciate that. Or you also might want to check out some of my other projects, like this glitter one, or for example this eyelashes and eyeliner, or this eyelenses. And in order to find my products, you will need to go to gumroad.com and search for my name, Nadia Moor, and there you will be able to find like many different products that I have. Okay, so I already have this product download to my computer, so I'm not gonna download second time. I'm closing this link and I'm clicking new project, blank project, and I'm adding object, and it's gonna be face mesh. Then I'm adding material, and this material is gonna be retouching. Switch the video of myself. And now I'm adding a plane, and this plane scale it's gonna be 0.299, 0.299. And I'm clicking plus on material. Don't worry about the red face, it's just a bug. I'm gonna restart. So this material I'm gonna call left, and the plane I'm gonna call left. Okay, so now I need to add assets, animation sequence, and I'm gonna choose new texture, and I'm gonna select these files, and those files gonna be on the Gumroad when you're gonna download them. So I'm clicking open. Okay, so now I'm going to the lab material. I'm picking flat. I'm picking this animation sequence, and for the opacity I'm gonna switch it to 40%. Okay, so we have our left. Now time to duplicate. When we duplicate, the settings gonna stay the same, so as you see, scale stay the same. And now I'm gonna create, for the right, I'm gonna create one more material layer, create new material, and I'm gonna add one more animation sequence. And for this animation sequence, I'm gonna keep the same texture. Now let me reset to change my eyes to. So now this material is gonna be right. And for this material, it's gonna be flat. And for the texture, I'm picking the second animation sequence that I just created. And also I'm making it 40% opacity. Okay, so basically the reason why I created two animation sequences, because I want them, those sparkles to be a little bit different, so they're not appear at the same moment. So I'm gonna click here on randomize, and for example here I'm gonna put 14 seconds per frame, and here I'm gonna put also randomize, but 17 seconds per frame. In this way the sparkle is gonna appear like interchangeably. They're not gonna be appearing on the eyes right away. Now they're on the nose, so we need to go to our patch editor. And now I'm dragging our face tracker. So, okay, so I'm dragging here for the face, and I'm searching for the eyeball. And also I'm gonna search for the right eye closed and left eye closed. Okay, so now I'm going to the left eye, and I'm clicking on the position and rotation, and I'm connecting I'm connecting this 3D position with the left eye iris and left eye rotation like this. So it comes to the eye, and doing the same with the right eye position and rotation. So I'm connecting right iris like this and right rotation like this. So now our sparkles in the correct spots, but I want them to disappear when the eyes are closed. So now we have right eye closed, and I'm searching for the knot. And here also I'm searching for the knot. So basically the logic of this statement is right eye closed, knot. So basically what does it mean? It means when the right eye closed, knot, it's meaning the eyes is open. So I'm going to the left eye, and it's clicking on visible. And basically that means when the eyes is open, this plain object is visible. And the same thing with right eye, is visible. Let me touch the page editor. Let me enlarge. So basically that's it. And if you see that sparkles appear at the same moment, you can play around with the frames per second, or you can go to these textures, and in those textures there's just like one star and 29 different empty projects. So you can just like change the sequence. For example, the star stays as number 1, and you can put it like as a number, for example 11, and make number 1 as an empty one. So this way, like, you will need actually to create two animations, you will need to use the same texture, and you can use the same frames per second. But since I didn't want to add extra texture, I just use the different frames per second. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and wish you a good day. Bye bye.